Yeah, jacket weather as you're heading out the door. Maybe make it a rain jacket because later on today you might want that along with an umbrella. Rain chances back in the forecast. Here we go again. Let's take a look at what's happening out there. 10 minutes before 6 o'clock. Still dark and early, but hey, at least our sunrise times are now before 7 a.m. for, well, a couple of weeks till daylight saving time kicks in early March. Clouds gradually thickening over central North Carolina. 39 degrees, though, in Goldsboro. 38 from Carter-Finley Stadium. As the clouds increase overhead, we're still going to warm up with southwesterly winds, bringing that warm air towards us, but also more moisture towards us, too. Still 40 degrees in Raleigh, 38 Durham, 36 in Chapel Hill, one of the chillier spots. Just a couple of holdovers in the 40-degree mark. Holly Springs, the only other spot around Wake County and the surrounding counties that's still managing to cling to 40 degrees. 43 degrees in Fayetteville right now, a little warmer around Cumberland County with the exception of Spring Lake at 39. 46 degrees, the warm spot in Grays Creek with 45 degrees right now in Rayford. Our dog of the day, another adoptable dog of the day. This is Theodore. We're featuring dogs all week from Chatham Animal Rescue. They do such good work. So these are foster dogs that are available to adopt. I'll put a link up on the Furcast section of CBS17.com, and it'll be up when I put the Furcast on social media as well. If you are interested in adopting Theodore or any of the available animals, if you already have animals and you want to get them out for a walk, do it this morning before those rain chances start to increase this afternoon. Temperatures won't be a problem. We're going to warm up quickly this morning, and then we'll level off in the low 60s, starting to retreat slightly as those rain chances increase late this afternoon and this evening. Temperatures everywhere into the 50s by late morning and lunchtime, but then we kind of stall out with that rain starting to cool things off a little bit by mid-afternoon. That's still an unseasonably warm day for the middle of February. Temperatures into the mid-60s around Fayetteville and the southern coastal plain. The rain still way out to our west right now, making its way through Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia. We'll switch over to the future radar. Shows it steadily making progress towards us. Not quite here yet by 1 o'clock this afternoon, but light off and on showers more likely as we head through the rest of the afternoon, especially from the triangle southward, with the heaviest rain moving in from the west as we head into late this evening and overnight. That's when it's going to rain. If you're going to hear a rumble of thunder, this is the time frame when it's going to happen, right around midnight, with that heaviest rain sliding through our southern counties, but still plenty of lingering light to moderate rain to mess up the morning commute on Wednesday. And we're going to have to deal with those lingering showers through at least the first half of the day before they become fewer and farther between by tomorrow afternoon. Thursday, another batch of showers tries to move in. Big questions still surround that. Looks like the bulk of the moisture could miss us down to the south, but if it moves in, it would be cold enough for the potential of some snowflakes to be mixed in with the raindrops, maybe a few sleet pellets as well. So this is Thursday into Thursday night. So another question, if it snows, will it stick? Well, to the roads, not likely. They're going to be too warm. Temperatures will be above freezing, but lawns, rooftops, any elevated surface, that's what we'll have to watch. And will you have school? Yeah, probably, as we head into the end of the work week on Friday. In terms of the greatest potential of where it could, maybe, outside chance of up to a ½ inch or an inch on grassy areas, it's going to be along and east of I-95. Kind of the opposite pattern that we're used to, but it's a coastal system, so this is where most of the moisture is going to be located. For the triangle, well, still could go either way. The farther west you go, west of I-85, that's where it looks like most of the moisture is just going to miss you entirely. But there's still time for this whole thing to change, so we will keep you updated. Temperatures drop all day tomorrow. That's the end of the warm spell after we hit the low 60s today. Chilly weather Thursday and Friday. Regardless of any wintry precipitation, wintry temperatures are going to be with us. And then we warm up over the weekend in time for the next round of rain Sunday night into early Monday.
All right, and we'll keep an eye on Thursday, that's for sure.
Yeah, winter forecasting is always complicated, but especially in this part of the country.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, sounds like a plan. 5:53 right now, and still off to a very quiet start, I tell you what.
Good.
Not bad, although